If you are new on the street of YouTube and you want to open up your YouTube channel, I will be giving you guide on how to open up your new YouTube channel and the things you have to input in order to set up the channel. Hello guys, I'm Unique by name. I'm creative director of Talk with Unique. So if you know you want to learn how to start up your YouTube channel from scratch, step by step on how to open up your YouTube channel in order to start earning from it, I already have a video on my channel. Please watch that particular video. It will give you a guide on how to set it up. In this particular video, I'll be teaching you the ways, different things you have to input to set up your YouTube channel. Don't forget, YouTube is business, so handle it with care. So without taking your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. So if you have watched my previous video, you observe that after opening your account, this is the way it will look. So down here, you tap on it, okay? And this page will pop up this way. These are the things that will come up. Then tap on create a channel on top. Create a channel. Then once you tap on create a channel, it will appear this way. You understand? You will see picture, name, handle. So tap on this picture icon here that is showing you my head. Then select from your gallery, or if you tap on camera, it means you will snap yourself immediately. So if you tap on your gallery, you select a picture you want. So once you're done tapping that, allow it to load. And if you look up, you will notice that the profile photo has been updated successfully. So next thing to do is to edit your name. Your name should be that your channel name. Okay, once you finish editing it, you tap on click here. You can change your handle if you want, but I didn't change mine. I'm okay with it. And after doing this, you tap on create channel. So once you tap on create channel, you notice that your channel has been created. So down here again, tap on it. Then once you tap on it, tap on view channel up here. Okay, tap on view channel. Then once you tap on view channel, it will take you to this page this way. Then tap on more. Tap on more. Okay, because we want to set more things. So this tap on more, this is where you're able to get the date of when you created your channel and your YouTube link. So if you want to share it to people, you can copy that link. Then tap on this pencil icon here. You can see that pencil icon, tap on it. This is now where you will do more editing. Tap on this piece. This is what we call YouTube banner. So if you already created your YouTube banner, then what you do is choose from your photo. But for me, I want to create it here. Go to Canva. There's an app called Canva. Go to Play Store and download it. So once you download Canva, tap on search template. Search template. Type YouTube banner. YouTube banner, okay? YouTube banner is what we call that picture that will be on top. It's not like ordinary profile picture. So we have a plain space where you create a plain one if you want to start from scratch. But these are samples of the ones you can use. But be careful, don't choose the ones that has pro. Like this particular one now, this Larana channel, that one has pro, so don't click on it. I will just select this one. I think this will suit what I really want to design. So once you tap on it, I will edit this name here. That's why I said as a beginner, select a template that will be easy for you. Don't click on the empty blank space and start creating from scratch. If you are good at that, you can still start from scratch. So I just edited that name. You can see I wrote Beanstalk with Unique. That's my name. Then you can tap on font and tap on this arrow key if you want to change this font. If you want to change the design of the handwriting here. So I'll just type on this particular one here. And you can see the way it looks. And I'll tap again another one. You can see it will just change, but I prefer that first one. I like it this way. So after doing this, next thing we're doing is to tap under it, and I will edit it. I will edit the things I want. I wrote business, online business, lifestyle. Just if you know anything you want to write there, write. If you don't want, tap on it and delete it. But for me, I did online business, coaching tutorials, lifestyle. After writing it, I did some adjustment. I placed it on the place I want it to be, and that is it. Once you are done, understand? Once you are done, you tap on this arrow up, then it will save to your gallery. It's very easy. If you want to work with Canva, look for templates that they've already worked on. Only if you know you're a pro, you are good. You will not look for empty space and design from start to finish. You can see the way I just designed mine quick. Didn't take me time. So I'll now go back to my YouTube channel. You understand? I'll go back to my YouTube channel. Then back to that point, they asked me to select the banner. I will tap on the picture. I went to my gallery, selected the picture. I adjusted it, I dragged it, then saved. Then I came to this description. This description is a little brief intro about you and your channel. So just put a small write-up and that is it. You can now save. I believe you've learned something new today. Put all these things you learned into practice and set up your YouTube channel, then start posting your content. Don't forget, your content must be valuable and it must be educational. Try as much as you can to make it to be entertaining and educational so you'll be able to grab engagement of other viewers. Please don't forget to give me a follow, subscribe to my channel, like this video, also share to others so they benefit same way you just did. And if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. See you guys in my next video.